the Christmas season, and not only did I want to decorate my home for the holidays, I also wanted to give some love to my master bedroom, and this is what I came up with. As you can see behind me, this is my master bedroom, and this is kind of like the everyday look of my master bedroom, but it's Christmas time, so I wanted to change it up and make it more festive and more Christmassy, so that when I wake up every day in December, I feel the Christmas spirit. With any project that I do, I first seek out inspiration and kind of what's gonna tie in what I want to do or create. And this year, I had this fleece blanket that I actually made last year for last Christmas for our living room. And I got the fabric from Joann. It was a basic fleece fabric. I got about a couple of yards of it, and I just did a quick little seam in it so it can look finished. But this is my theme for my bedroom. It's deer and gray and white, and of course I have a lot of gold, so the gold has to tie into this project. But this is basically what my theme I'm gonna work with. And then I started hunting down for things that would match this theme, and kind of subtly, so that it's not kind of all in your face. But this is what the inspiration was. So do you see what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
That's why I don't buy expensive sheets. But I wanted to show you what I picked up. I picked up this at TJ Maxx, and it was only $40. This is a flannel sheet set, and it has my theme with the gray and the white. And then this was actually on clearance. I couldn't believe it. Only $16, also at TJ Maxx, so it goes perfectly with my theme. So this is the sheets and the pillow, and I'm gonna be putting that on the bed. Dylan, are you ready to help mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah? I was able to do the bed even with this little monkey running around. There he is. But I love this pattern. I still have to wash my sheets because I'm not gonna, of course, sleep with them without washing them, but I kind of wanted to first test it out. There goes Dylan again. So this is my current duvet cover, and it's off-white, so it's not as white as the sheets. But I have a little trick because I didn't want to buy another duvet cover. This is my spring duvet cover. It's already white. This is the pattern. As you can see, I think it's Nicole Miller. I got it at Home Goods, and I also have the curtains for it. But this is my summer, spring duvet cover. But on the other side, one of the things that this duvet cover has is that one side is the pattern and the back side is white. So I'm gonna flip it around, that's a little trick, and use the white side for the front side of my duvet cover. Now that was a lot of work. And with a little toddler running around, it was not easy. I had to wait until he took his nap to finish everything off, but I finally got through it. Flipping the duvet cover was genius. It's been the best idea I've ever had. And now I have a brand new set of bedding without having to spend a dime. So that is a trick that I recommend for anybody to do. Above the bed, I decided to do some repurposing with some stuff that I already had at home. I've had this deer made out of paper mache for a while. I've used it a couple past Christmases ago, and my husband helped me by painting it in gray, and I just did a finishing touches by painting the antlers in gold. I also repurposed a mirror that I had that I found actually at an estate sale many years ago, and I've always kept it. So I decided to mount it on the wall using the 3M Velcro stickers that are usually made for hanging frames. And I also tied a ribbon around the deer from ribbon that I already had at home from our past Christmas tree. And with some finishing touches, I was able to tie everything together to make my theme come alive and really Christmify my master bedroom. Thanks for watching, and And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and check out some of my other videos. And remember, in life, everything should be simple, but it doesn't mean it can't be fancy.